Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Asus Zenfone 8 versus Asus Zenfone 9. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about in-hand feels. Asus Zenfone 8 has 8.9 mm thickness and Zenfone 9 has 8.7 mm thickness. Weight, Zenfone 8 has 169 gram weight and Asus Zenfone 9 has 173 gram weight. Display type, Asus Zenfone 8 has AMOLED display and Zenfone 9 has also an AMOLED display. Resolution, Asus Zenfone 8 has 1080p resolution and Asus Zenfone 9 has also a 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio, Zenfone 8 has 20:9 aspect ratio and Zenfone 9 has also 20:9 aspect ratio. A screen to body ratio, Zenfone 8 has 82.9% screen to body ratio and Zenfone 9 has 83% screen to body ratio. A screen size, Asus Zenfone 8 and Asus Zenfone 9 both the phone have 5.9 inches a screen size. Pixel density, Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 9 both the phone have 446 ppi pixel density. Refresh rate, Asus Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 9 both the phone have 120Hz high refresh rate. Protection, Asus Zenfone 8 and Asus Zenfone 9 both the phone have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Dust and water resistance, Asus Zenfone 8 has IP68 rating and Zenfone 9 has also IP68 rating. Hardware, Zenfone 8 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and Zenfone 9 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1st processor. GPU, Asus Zenfone 8 has Adreno 660 and Zenfone 9 has Adreno 730 GPU. Processor, Asus Zenfone 8 has 2.42 GHz clock speed and Asus Zenfone 9 has octa-core 3.19 GHz clock speed. Operating system, Zenfone 8 has Android 11 Gen UI and Zenfone 9 has Android 12 Gen UI. RAM, Asus Zenfone 8 has 6GB, 8GB, 12GB or 16GB of RAM variant and Zenfone 9 has also the same. Internal storage, Zenfone 8 has 128 256GB internal storage or Zenfone 9 has 128 256GB internal storage. Card slot, Asus Zenfone 8 and Asus Zenfone 9 both the phone doesn't support any expandable card slot. Let's talk about camera in detail. Let's start with Asus Zenfone 8. It's have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.4 or STR LED flash. Let's talk about Asus Zenfone 9. It's also have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or STR LED flash. Let's talk rear camera max recording. Asus Zenfone 8 and Asus Zenfone 9 both the phone can record 8K video at 24 fps. Front camera, Asus Zenfone 8 has 12 megapixel front camera and Zenfone 9 has also a 12 megapixel front camera. Battery, Asus Zenfone 8 has 4000 mAh battery and Asus Zenfone 9 has 4300 mAh battery. Fast charging, Asus Zenfone 8 has 30 watt fast charger and Asus Zenfone 9 has 33 watt fast charger. Let's talk about connectivity. Let's start with Asus Zenfone 8. It's have a under display fingerprint, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C or UFS 3.1. Let's talk about Asus Zenfone 9 connectivity. It supports side mounted fingerprint, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C or UFS 3.1. Let's talk about both the phone price. Asus Zenfone 8 come around $49,000 of $613 of 8GB RAM or Asus Zenfone 9 come around $48,000 of $600 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Design wise both the phone have similar design, display are good on the both the phone, camera is better on Asus Zenfone 8, hardware is better on Asus Zenfone 9, connectivity are same, charging is better on Asus Zenfone 9 and price is same on both the phone. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video.